Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make the app icons bigger on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write comments after watching and subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us get down to this topic with you. And first of all, you will need on your iPhone to open the settings. After that, scroll down through the settings and select the section which is called Display Brightness. Next, folks, you're gonna have to scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the display magnification. As you can see, there are two options here on how your icons can look like on your iPhone. The default setting is normal mode and normal size, but you can change it to a larger one. For that, you will need to click right here. This will not only enlarge the application icons on your iPhone, but also enlarge all widgets. The size of messages will be bigger, and in general, everything you will see on the screen of your iPhone will be a little bit bigger. After that, friends, in order to complete the change, you will need to click Ready on the top right. After that, your phone will reboot for literally 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black. Thus, the iPhone will change its settings, after which you can see the changes in the fact that the size of the icon has become larger, and in general, all the settings they are already more large became. With this method, friends, you can easily make the application icons on your iPhone bigger. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under this video, and also write your comments. Bye-bye.